So here in 1.6, we talk about the programming process, right? So what do we do as developers? What are the steps we undertake from beginning to end that will lead from identifying a problem that we need solved to solving that problem programmatically with a specific programming language? What I'll tell you about the programming life cycle or programmatic design is there are a host of different kind of theories on how many steps there are here. Really, what I'll tell you is there's 5, 7, and 9 steps to good programming process based on the programming life cycle that a textbook is going to use. This one here, and let me give you the page number, is 17, is what I like to call the full programming process. This one really does go through each and every step of the process, including things like visualize what the program is going to look like. I actually really like this one. And what I'll tell you is the 9-step programming process forces you to actually engage and think about how the program is supposed to look. If you do not do that part, it has been my experience that the application you develop is going to be a painful process. If before you write a single line of code, if you stop and say, how do I expect this to look? How is it really going to be laid out? What general scheme do we want to use here? If you can answer those questions first, the development really becomes a reverse engineering process as opposed to you discovering along the way how everything is supposed to look and feel. You've already got a destination in mind, and you just have to advance little piece at a time until you get there. So the programming process outlined here is preferable because the more steps you involve yourself with in the programming process, the more robust the solution is going to be, because you forced yourself into more discrete steps. The more discrete steps you eliminate, more and more problems along the way. If you've eliminated more problems along the way, by the time it is that you deliver your solution, overall, it's a better solution.